Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do an unboxing. I have the November scrapbookingcoach.com at-home kit. So it comes in a really sturdy, regular, like corrugated cardboard outer box. And then this piece is super sturdy. I line them just up in my faux calyx unit, and they are good to go when I want to use them. So let's take a look. Oh, if you guys need any deets, you can screenshot right there. And I'm also going to have down below, I'll have like affiliate links for the sketchbooks as well as getting kit subscriptions. So let me move the goodies aside, and I want to get right into the papers because that's going to kind of let my mind start going on how I just put on lotion, guys. Like what am I going to scrap this month? I don't know. Already I see, guys, keep the packaging, so great for mixed media. Already I see this gorgeous tone. We've got kind of an aqua vibe, and it's icy. I love this, guys. Do you guys see this? Let me hold this up. There's like music paper behind, and then it's wood grain, and it's aqua with like pine branches and pine cones on top. Oh my goodness, that is a really pretty piece of paper. You can even fussy cut out these different little pine tree elements because they're not all overlapped. So I'll totally do that. And if you cut them right, they can look like a gorgeous feather. By the Who. Just a little tipperoo for you guys. The other side, oh, that's pretty. So we've got this really great snow scene with pine trees and like a snowy, darker sky. And then this pop of a lipstick, kind of pinky red on the bottom, and wordy bits, love, cozy, memories, snow much fun, all bundled up, warm winter memories, let it snow. Very pretty piece of paper. All right, so this is fun. We've got musical score paper behind it with icy snowflakes in the foreground. And there's also nice distressing here and there, like in the edges. I love this kind of, that we have some variegated looks, and it looks like blurred out snowflakes. Very pretty. Oh, pretty. Okay, so this is clearly musical notes papers. I cannot pronounce that. It's a Danish word. The quality of being warm and comfortable that gives a feeling of happiness. Pretty much, like when you eat soup, but never mind. Oh, fussy cutting. So much fussy cutting. Oh my word. Sorry, I just hit the camera. I was excited. We've got birdies. We've got pretty little birdies. We've got these little finches. These guys are on my bird feeder all the time. And these sweet, like chubby little birds, and they're adorable. Look at how rounded out this little guy is. Oh my goodness. He's got total like access to birdseed, and a really nice rosy pink background, and it looks snowy. There's little, like, where did I just see it? See there's like little snowflakes. Pretty. I love this saturated color. Ooh, the flip side is a cut apart sheet. So it's a tag cut apart sheet. We've got our chubby little birdies here with some leafy bits. And this is like holly and berry, the word Noel. Nice fishtail banner, big snowflake piece, the word winter on this one. This one right here looks more like a journaling spot kind of vibe. We've got this with the hollies and berries again, a little bit of plaid around this one, and then a nice circular one. And these are they're not quite craft, but they're giving like craft vibes. Oh, and there's a little brickworkage right there. Cute. Oh, cute. Look at this stag. Guys, I promise you, I kid you not. I legit ran across some pictures today of this stag that was in my backyard, and I'm wondering if that's like kismet. It was super late fall, so I don't know if that counts. Although it has snowed this time of year at my house before. But look at him. He is cute. And he's walking on the snow. And then it's really deep and dark up here. Guys, I literally also have that color of mixed media on my desk. So there's something very kismet about this situation. Serendipitous. All right, so, all right, so really kind of cool digitized like trees and snow with snowflakes. We've got our chubby, sweet little birdies down here. And guys, you can go ahead and fussy cut out these little guys for cute little embellishments to tuck here and there. They'd be so cute, like on the little trees. Cute. I'm going to be using that whole strip and fussy cutting those out. Ooh, they look really cute too. Like if you put like glossy accents on top, because then they'd be enamels. All right, so clearly I'm excited about this kit. I'm starting to get my design on. It's going to be a thing. Okay, nice hot pink plaid. Love the sagey green through it. It looks like navy and white. Gorgeous. Nice pop of saturated color on that. Ooh, the flip side is a gorgeous barn. So like, you know how I was saying like we should go ahead and fussy cut out these little tiny birdies? Wouldn't they look cute sitting in these branches? We've got this gorgeous barn that you can also fussy cut out. Oh my gosh, there's so much to cut out. We have got that Danish definition again. I mean, guys, how do you pronounce it again? Is it Heiji? Something, I don't know. Anyway, you can fussy cut out these snowflakes. There's a lot you can do. Love the wood grain. It's fab, super fab. Okay, next. Now this piece of paper is fun. So we've got kind of like these pointy bits going this way. I can totally see this looking like see how this roof is like this? If you cut these out, you could make shingles. It would be super cute. Love cozy memories, snow much fun, all bundled up, warm winter memories, let it snow, etc. And that's a really nice like gray blue, almost into the Union Soldier blue. Oh, pretty. Okay, so this is really pretty. It looks like these like cotton balls with, we've got the holly and pine cones and leafy bits, and it's nostalgic and cozy. And we've got this nice little strip here. So that's our papers. You know how we get 2 of each, you know, like we get the flip side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 papers, double-sided. I already know I have some fussy cutting work to do, and I'm excited about it. So excited. Okay, let's get into our embellishments. We are going to start. You know what? I'm going to get a little bin out because I'm going to be using this right away. Let's see. So we've got this nice little ribbon. It is a nice bright red and white, and it's kind of like gingham. Ginghamy little ribbon trim. Very nice. Because I'm always like wanting to know everything. So we've got 1 foot, 2 feet. So we have like over 3 feet. Very nice. Ooh, guys, we have gems, and they're in that hot pink. Like this pink, like hot pink gems. So those will be fun to add a little something. Like you could put them on all of these little branches and have like this little bling party. So these are super cute. I'm taking stuff out because I'm wanting to get right to the creating. Now, ooh, look at these stamps. Guys, do we have any plain paper here? Not really. Oh, all right, guys, I'm going to grab this board that I use for photography. So we've got these sweet little birdies. We've got the branches, a pom-pom hat. There are some mittens and a pine cone and a little musical score. Very cool. Like that stamp. Awesome. Then we've got an alpha. It is gray background tile alpha with white writing. Very crisp. Oh, this is new. Totally new. Guys, look at this. I'm going to like go ahead and do like 50 pieces with this. These are snowflakes, and they're a die. So guys, like when you start creating any little scraps you have, you can go off and create all kinds of interesting little bits. Super cute. Love that. And then we've got a little bit more into, you know, it's winter and Christmassy. Like winter in that let it snow is just totally, you know, anytime it's, you know, in snow weather, the most wonderful time of the year. It's a season for magic. 'Tis a season to be jolly. Noel, and from North Pole with love. Look at even the little wonky heart. It's cute. So we've got that. And then the last thing we have in this kit, And I know it's white on white, but I figure you can at least see it. Look at this snowflake stencil. And it's like they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sizes. You can go off with your molding paste and like your gels and Nuvo and all of the things and create fabulous backgrounds. I mean, this combined with this, guys, this is going to be so fun and come together like a snap. So guys, I will have, like I said, links down below where you can get your hands on this gorgeous November 2023 kit. And guys, I'm going to get creating right away, and I will see you guys ever so soon with another video. My videos go up, I believe, on the 16th and 17th of the month. So stay tuned and you'll see what I come up with for this kit. Bye guys.